On my last videos of me RC flying in 4K, I didn't realize that boost is on, and that's what's on right now. Boost. Do I need it? Hell no. Let me turn around and get out of the sun and show you what I'm going to do. Look at my shadow in the background. I don't know if you can see it. Ready? Let me know if this 1 foot shaking is going to really say, hey, that's boost. Let me stop and just turn it down to high. Hold on. I'm going to do that right now and start from here. Did I make the perfect cut? This is high 4K linear. I gotta turn around. Hang on. And I am not shaking. The reason why I want to turn around, I saw something on the floor that caught my interest. Here it is. See if I could go bend down and grab it. It's a toothpick. I don't think I want to grab it. And it's got a little socket thing. Hang on. Hang on. It's a rune shot. Let's bring this to another level. Bring it down to regular. I'm on just Hypersmooth 2.0 and doing the same thing. And I am also going over bumpy grass. And let me turn it off, and then you could say, hey, fish, that's really unbelievable. So here I am, and I am not going to shake. I'll tell you when I'm going to shake when I pass this can. You may not see it there. I'm just basically riding the best I can, holding it steady because it's got no image stabilization. Now if I start to do this, and I am not doing it fast, and I am doing it fast, right? It's not going to look pretty. So let me finish up and get out of here and put everything back on the way it's supposed to be. So I hope these videos were helpful, especially this one in 4K. Maybe it's going to be time for me to get a new laptop so I can be up in the game. On that note, you all have a great day. I'll see you all later. Enjoy the video.